Andre, could you share your 4-month hair and scalp care journey during the Ya Beauty Hair Growth and Scalp Care Contest?
For many years I've been going to different doctors and hair specialists and professionals, and they've been giving me different products to use, and none of them have been working at all. I've been losing a lot of hair. I've done hair transplants, I've done hair tattoos, all that stuff, but nothing's really worked. My scalp's been so irritated, it's been red, always scratching my hair, hairs keep falling out. So I've kind of given up. I've tried everything, nothing seems to work. I've tried minoxidil, I've done finasteride, compound oils, the pills, everything. It's all a gimmick. So I kind of gave up until I saw an ad on Instagram from Ya Beauty. It was a contest. I was like, here we go. It's not gonna do anything, but I'm just gonna give it a go. What am I gonna lose? So I actually went to Ya Beauty. I met Alice, very friendly person. She was very welcoming. She basically took me in the room. She put the camera on my scalp, examined my scalp, checked my scalp condition. No one has ever done that to my scalp in my whole life. So basically I was overwhelmed. Got to see the condition of my hair on the camera. It was very red and irritated. It was really, really, really bad. And basically I haven't been using good products. That's what's been causing my scalp to go red and itchy and hair falling out. So that's when I began the hair contest at Ya Beauty. I'm very overwhelmed and grateful that I got this opportunity, and the team have been really amazing and caring. It's the best journey ever. It's once a week you're treated like a king. Your hair's your scalp's getting full on attention. Your hair's getting a good treatment. You come out feeling really good. Probably after the first treatment, I never scratched my hair, or the redness kind of went. And using also their recommended products, the shampoos and all the tonics, that really helped. And week by week, I kept seeing improvement. They kept using the camera on my hair, on my scalp each week. I started seeing a lot of new baby hairs come out. And after now 4 months, look at my hair now. I've got so much hair, it's much fuller. I can actually see my curls now compared to what it was like before. And this is 4 months worth of hair. And I accidentally cut my hair once in between. So this is 2 months with no haircut. And look at all the hair. I'm getting a lot of attention now from a lot of people saying, wow, you've got a lot of hair, a lot of curly hair. So thank you so much, Ya Beauty, for giving me this opportunity and journey. And I want to continue doing this so I can get even more fuller hair. So thank you so much.